Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Melina McDonald. I'm going to continue on with what I've done for my personal health regime to get the best body and the best life that I've ever had. Now, I don't know about you ladies, but when it would become that time of the month, I would go hybrid werewolf vampire. It was horrible. And what happened was I went to a friend's house and she rubbed, and I was feral, and she rubbed some cream on my temple and my wrist. And about 10 minutes later, I was like, what the hell did you just do to me? Because I felt fabulous and I'd calmed down. And that's how I got introduced to the brand that is now called Modere. Now, the reason why I use this brand is purely because of the fact that all of their bottles are BPA free. Now, everything that you pick up in your supermarket and even a majority of what's in your health food shops, all those containers have BPA in them, and what happens is it seeps into your product and it basically makes your product toxic. So these guys avoid 3,000 different substances that are dubious ingredients, and they make sure that they're removing all the toxins. They don't have any fillers in it, which is really important, and they are also phthalate free. I nearly always get tongue twisted with that one. So this is the range that I'm using. I use it in my kitchen, I use it in my laundry, I use it in my shower, and I use it on myself. So the only additional products that I've got other than what I get shipped to me in 2 days is things like the organic coconut oil and obviously my body wash, which is gua sha. So I really wanted to introduce you guys. I've been using these products now for about 3 odd years, and it has completely changed my hormones, and they're now fully in balance. So if this is something that you're looking for, stay tuned, because I'm going to give you some tips about why I use some of this particular range. But thanks for watching. If you are looking to actually purchase any of these products, I've made sure that I've popped a link for you guys so you can have a look at their entire range, which also includes makeup that is chemical free. Bye from me.